Hey there, fellow road trippers. If you're like me and love hitting the open road, then you know that a successful road trip requires some smart planning. So today, I've got the ultimate list of road trip hacks to save you money, stay comfortable, and avoid stress. Let's dive right in. First up, packing and organization hacks. Here's a game changer. Use a shower caddy for snacks. It keeps them organized and super easy to access. And for those unexpected tolls or fees, stash some emergency cash in an empty lip balm tube. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Keep a bunch of plastic grocery bags handy. They're perfect for trash, wet clothes, or just organizing your stuff. And don't forget a laundry bag. It helps separate dirty clothes from the clean ones. Plus, a small car bin, like a cereal container with a trash bag inside, works wonders for keeping your car tidy. Now let's talk navigation and fuel-saving hacks. Download GasBuddy or Waze to find the cheapest fuel and avoid those overpriced highway gas stations. And did you know that driving at 55 to 65 miles per hour can significantly improve your fuel efficiency? Slow and steady wins the race. Fill up your tank in small towns instead of big cities. Gas is usually cheaper there. And don't forget to download offline maps on Google Maps to avoid getting lost in no-signal areas. Oh, and always check your tire pressure. Properly inflated tires can improve your fuel economy. When it comes to food and drinks, I've got you covered. Pack a mini cooler with ice packs to save money on drinks and snacks. Freeze water bottles overnight. They double as cold packs and fresh water later. And if you're a coffee lover like me, bring a travel-friendly coffee maker to avoid expensive coffee stops. Grab extra napkins and condiments from fast food joints. They come in handy for road trip meals. And instead of eating at rest stops, hit up grocery stores for cheaper and fresher food options. For comfort and convenience, wear slip-on shoes for easy removal while driving. Use a neck pillow even in the car. It helps with long drives and quick naps. Keep a pack of baby wipes to freshen up without a shower. Carry a roll of toilet paper because, let's face it, rest stops sometimes run out. And use an over-the-seat car organizer to keep essentials like maps, chargers, and snacks within reach. Lastly, let's cover safety and emergency hacks. Always have a car emergency kit with jumper cables, a flashlight, duct tape, and a first aid kit. Hide a spare car key to prevent lockout disasters. Use a towel as a sunshade to keep your car cool when parked. Charge your power bank before you leave for backup in case of dead phone batteries. And always check road conditions and weather in advance to avoid delays and dangerous routes. So there you have it, 25 road trip hacks to make your journey smooth and budget-friendly. Happy travels, everyone! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel tips. See you on the road.